Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by prepping the controller and PC. Put the Pro controller or Joy-Cons into Bluetooth pairing, and make sure your battery is above 50% so it won't disconnect mid-setup. Once done, install Vi GM bus drivers and extract Better Joy for Semu. These create a virtual Xbox pad that Dolphin accepts. You need these because Dolphin reads X input devices. The Switch controller uses a different protocol. Make sure Windows recognizes Vi GM bus before proceeding. Otherwise, Dolphin won't see the controller. You now bridge the controller into Dolphin. Launch Better Joy for Semu, pair the Pro controller or left/right Joy-Con via its pairing button, and verify it appears as an X input device. Once Better Joy creates the virtual Xbox controller through Vi GEM, open Dolphin, go to Controllers, and set port 1 to standard controller with X input selected. You map buttons if needed, but usually Dolphin auto-detects inputs. This step converts Switch inputs to signals Dolphin understands. So button press. You finish by testing in a game and adjusting dead zones or sensitivity in Dolphin's controller configuration so analog behavior matches expectations. If you see stick drift, missed buttons, or dropouts, make sure Vi GM bus is the latest version, repair the controller, or switch to a USB connection for stability. Also check Better Joy's status log for errors. This reveals pairing conflicts or driver problems. With those final checks, you'll have a reliable Switch controller experience in Dolphin.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.